Alright, we're heading to the new shop location. Got Rico's car here with us. The wrap actually looks pretty sick. I love the color, especially in the sun.
Yeah, we'll see.
It's got some bronzy, almost purpley undertones to it. Yeah, pretty sick.
Alright guys, this is my car. Used to be blue, it's bronze. It's wrapped, but it's not back together because we've got some work to do. We're not doing it at the shop that we were at. We have a new shop and we have some more stuff planned with the Skyline and the other Lexuses and everything. But stick around and find out.
I don't even think anyone even knows who you are.
I'm normally part of the crew, but then they kicked me out. They didn't invite me, is what was actually happening. You know what I call? I call for parlay. You know what parlay means?
Isn't that like parsley?
But yeah, I wrapped it. It's still a bit of a shit box, but it is what it is. It's not a show car.
Yes, it's another Lexus. Yes, we've done 2 now. At least we keep doing different engines. So, I mean, that's something, I guess. We're coming up with the Skyline though, new engine in that as well. Hopefully some drifting this season. So.
And this one, when it's done in about 2 weeks.
Yeah.
We don't sleep until it's done. Look forward to like a 30-day marathon. What? You
already look like you haven't slept for 30 days.
All right, listen, I came back because you said it was going to be good again. Bullying.
That's why people watch this stuff.
I don't watch it because of bullying.
I do.
You know what I miss?
We'll see you there.
I'm just messing with Merrick's car. All the shit that we did that he doesn't even know that we did.
We're at the new shop. We're not going to give you a tour yet because it's still being set up. And if you can guess the engine, there's no prize. It's none of the stuff we've done before. It's not a J, it's not an SR.
It's not a JDM engine.
And I know you're probably thinking it's an RB, but we're never going to do an RB. We actually really want to do an RB.
Me too.
I just can't afford it, man. It sucks. I have to fix all of Nissan's problems. We're doing something reliable. Anyway, we're going to get stuck into this. Yeah. Guess the engine.
So basically, Ruben knows what he's doing. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to take the lead. You guys are going to see this. It's going to go way smoother than Ruben's does. Did you guys see the video where he bought 17 different axles for his car because he couldn't figure out which one was the right one, and he had like 3 diffs? We're not going to have that problem.
I still have those axles.
Exactly.
So you're going to profit off the 2 cars I've built.
No,
and my struggles.
That has nothing to do with it. I didn't watch the videos.
Oh, you did?
Nah, I'm taking the lead and it's going to go. We're not going to run into any problems. Like, zilts, none, naga. Stop laughing.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Taking the lead. I've been taking the lead the entire time, as you can see in the video. AC stuff. And the 2 alarm sensors.
It's a pressure sensor.
These horns.
Yeah, they're horns. That's your actual horn. So you can keep those on.
What are they, my fake horns? Where are my fake horns if you say they're my actual horns? Where are the fake horns?
Because they're not a horn sensor. They're a real horn. They don't sense where the horns are.
Am I asking if this is a sensor?
That's what you said.
No, I said, is this the horn sensor?
No, that's the horn wiring to the horn. They go off if they recognise there's a horn in the vicinity.
These are my actual horns. They're not horn sensors, apparently. Don't tell me you never wanted to do that.
What the heck is this? Is that an alarm? Hot tip of the day, if you're worried about losing bolts, just put them right back when you remove the things you want to remove. You'll never forget where they are, and you won't forget what they're for. I'm going to confuse you and leave one in there. You sure you don't need this?
We could do it, Because then we're only sleeping like 5 hours.
Again, if you don't go to bed tired, you won't wake up sleepy.
What?
If you don't go to bed at all when you're tired, you're not going to wake up feeling sleepy because you'll just be awake and sleepy.
Oh.
So drive shaft is out. It is the mankiest chassis I think I've ever seen in my life.
Manky?
Dude, have a look at this. It's like grease, gunk, mud. I don't know what that is. It's sand, there's hair on it.
It's character.
Dude, whose hair is that?
It's character.
It's orange. Some ranger owned this car.
It's not orange.
I'm not even gonna. It's manky in the exhaust.
Are we gonna reuse this? Can I rip this?
You can. I wouldn't rip it. I just cut mine.
But I want to rip it because it's fun.
I mean, you can. It's your car. You can do whatever you want.
Okay, no, I got self-control.
No, I kind of wanted to see it now.
Cut, I'll pull it.
All right. It's not stripped. It's just a different shape.
Size. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's a different size.
No.
Yes.
Why? Why would they be different sizes?
I don't know, but it's a different size, I'm telling you.
Well, whatever size it is now, this side's different.
Oh my god.
Ooh. Ooh. Why is there oil coming out of the mount?
I'm gonna say it. Reckon I could swing on this thing?
No.
No.
I mean, probably.
This is ruining all the fun, eh?
Okay, fine, do it.
No, you say the fun.
Mac and J.
Oh, dude, there's a praying mantis on it. At this point, they're probably thinking, oh, not the LS swap, we've seen this a million times. Pull it out. Eh?
Yeah, what about now? Huh?
Eh?
What about now? Don't be fooled. We know exactly what we're not doing. You're welcome.
Don't get yourself a friend who has bunions.
Okay, we're cutting that. Thank you very much. You and your big ass forehead.
I reckon your bunions has more real estate than mine.
Do you want to have a look at my toes? Do I need to show you?
No one wants to see those things. Put them away before I call the police. We're gonna have to get this shed fumigated.
We're gonna have to re-epoxy the floor. You know when you walk on wet concrete and it leaves those marks?
Yeah.
That's what I'm gonna leave. Ass toe.
Oh, it's Bigfoot. Except they'll just go, oh, it's big bunions. Okay.
Hazards.
Okay. Hold on. Brights.
That's bright.
We don't have the main lights connected, so we don't know. Everything works. Your climate control system still works. I do have some unfortunate news though. Both your ABS and oil light is on. And your check engine light is on. We've just discovered there's a check engine light on. So.
Yeah, we got an oil light, a check engine light.
No, I think we're good. So now go ahead and start it.
Yeah. Listen, all right, no, back serious note. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the headlight harness out of this big hunk of chungus over here. And then we're gonna just delete all this unnecessary stuff that we don't need. I know what the problem is.
What?
If we cut that, I lose warranty.
We've gone through all of this stuff, all the ECU relays, whatnot. This is what we're keeping. Your lights, indicators, and horn, I think. And we're gonna terminate these somehow. It's like a birthday cake. You missed some, so now you don't get to make a wish.
Don't say that. We have engine mounts on the way. We have the front sump on the way. And then we have an ABS delete kit coming. He's just cutting wires. You would have seen. We did all that.
It's better. It's too short.
That's your ABS. Okay, the engine bay is just about ready. That's it for this one. Just like and subscribe. What's the problem? You're here at the end. So what's the problem?
Within the first like 2
It just makes no sense. Like, do you feel the guilt? I feel the guilt.
I feel secondhand guilt for you.
Thanks for watching.